Hello beautiful people, my name is Kristen. Welcome to my channel. I am in process of having my house renovated. I am getting married in 3 weeks and have my oldest son moving in with my younger son who just graduated high school. They're in college, gonna have a basement kind of bachelor pad, 2-bedroom apartment, and then I've got a new daughter and fiance slash husband that are going to be moving in with a dog. And I realized I got a box today and literally there is no place to film. So I just thought I'd sit in front of my fish tank and maybe y'all could see some fish swimming around. So thank you for bearing with me on that. I will try to adjust the camera if we can't see things or have bad lighting. Life is all about being flexible, isn't it? So I got a Trendsend box by Ever Eve company. I haven't had one since December, so they have changed their policy since then. There is now a $20 styling fee. There used to not be one. So the $20 does get applied to anything you keep, and you get now a 10% discount if you keep 4 or more items, which I have kept 5 items twice. So it's kind of sad I didn't get the discount then, but that's all right, that's all right. So I'm trying to work back into adding some of my boxes back in. I have been paying off debt and getting married and having kids in college and all that kind of life stuff, but I get a lot of joy out of these boxes and looking at the surprise of it, and I enjoy sharing it with y'all and watching other people. So let's see what they're going to send us. A little note here about if somebody uses my link, they get 20% off, and then I get 20% off. So that's a good deal. So if you are going to try it, also use my link or somebody's link that maybe you follow with Trendsend, and you'll get an extra 20% off your first purchase. So that's in addition to the $20 that gets applied from your styling fee and the 10%. So if you kept 4 items, you get 30% off. So let's see. My stylist is no longer with Ever Eve. I've lost my Trunk Club stylist and my Ever Eve stylist. So this person is Kimberly. So I will read the note and see what Kimberly said when I try the items on. They usually put together 2 or 3 items, or outfits I should say. This looks rather fun, super exciting, and it says, "But first gratitude" on the little label. So that's really cute. So let's see. Oh, and how appropriate. There's a really super soft graphic tee, Attitude Gratitude. And is this Chaser? No, it's Spiritual Gangster, which is one of their brands that they carry a lot. And I love how soft their t-shirts are. I have to admit, Target is pretty good too, and you can usually get them for about 15 bucks, and these are usually about 50 bucks. But when they go on sale and then I have any kind of discount and I get them for $30, I'm willing to do that. Yeah, this one's $48, but I love it. Ooh, I see camo. I'm a camo girl. I bought, this is kind of interesting because they must not have history, because I bought a camo bomber from Trendsend maybe a year, maybe 2 years ago. This one's super thin. This one's thinner than the one I have, but this is a camo bomber. So I won't be keeping it because I own literally a camo bomber from Trendsend. Oh, I like these. And some awesome jeans, 7 for all mankind. I love 7. So super good, high premium denim, some distressing, pretty straight legged, I think, ankle skinnies. So they are skinnies. So we will see how those look. I'm always open to jeans. I work with teenagers. So I do have quite a few pairs, but always wanted to try. This looks like a pretty bright floral in here and maybe something else denim. And it says play more. Sounds like a good advice because I've been working hard. This morning after going to the gym, I had to scrub all my windows, and then I scrubbed a toilet outside, and it's very hot out right now. And that sounds funny, but I'm renovating. So our toilet's literally sitting in the side yard waiting to be reinstalled after the plumber comes tomorrow. So I went outside to disinfect and scrub down the toilet in the middle of the yard. You don't do that very often. This is by Allison Joy. It's a gorgeous color. I might have even had this one pinned, or you can request it, you know, like it, whatever it is. Wish list it. That's whatever Eve calls it. $58. So that looks lovely. And then, oh, it's a denim skirt. I'm not really fond of denim skirts, but we will try this one. Agolde. I don't know how you say that brand exactly, but it's really cute in the back and the front with this little detail here. So I look forward to trying it. And my last outfit here looks like more denim. I like denim. It says with heart on the sticker. So, ooh, what is this, a dress? Oh, it's a dress with a denim jacket. Okay, we're getting very swanky. So this is pretty print. I love the print and the colors. These are totally my colors. I'm not sure my girls are gonna fit in here. This doesn't look like a lot of coverage up top. Might have to put on a tank top to show it. And it looks like it's a maxi, so I have yet to find a maxi that is not too long on me. I've had to have them hemmed, or my Stitch Fix stylist started sending me middies that had the high-low, and I got a couple of them, and they act just like a maxi for me. And then cut from the cloth denim jacket. I do have a denim jacket, but this one is adorable and super stretchy and soft, and I look forward to trying it. So those are my items. I will be right back with my try-on. Okay. Pardon all the packing boxes and all that stuff around, but we are in process. This is the first outfit here, the little bomber jacket with the gratitude shirt. It is rather thin. I've got a lace nude bra on underneath, and you can almost see it, so I hope that is all right for the purposes of trying on. These are the 7 for All Mankind distressed denim jeans. I guess I didn't get it quite far enough back to see, but it's not a bad length on me. I'm only 5'2", and they're slightly long, but I like this length a lot, so pleased with that. This is very much my style and something that I would wear. In fact, I'm going to show you 3 things that I've already purchased from Trendsend in the past and recreate this outfit, so hold on. First, let me show you the top without the jacket in case you are thinking about it. It is Spiritual Gangster, $48. It's pretty thin, and it is kind of a muscle shirt that shows a little bit. So really this would be a great workout tank is what I'm thinking, the thinness and all that, but kind of pricey for that. So, but I just wanted to show that to you in case you were interested. So here is the outfit that I already own, all of which came from Trendsend over Eve. This is a Sanctuary bomber jacket. I did actually pay the $90 just like the other one is now, but I have worn it a ton. I love it. I have a gratitude t-shirt, kind of has, it came with this rip in it, which is kind of edgy and I liked it. I actually paid $48 for this shirt because I just loved it, but I have worn it so much, y'all. And these are cut from the Kloth Karen cuffed distressed jeans, or I think Articles of Society. I think they're Articles of Society. I lied. But anyway, this is an outfit that all came from Trendsend that I love. I have worn all these pieces a ton. So Kimberly, if you're ever watching this, you nailed my style, girl. I just already have something so similar to what you sent that I'm not going to consider that, but maybe this will inspire some other people to check it out. This is an Allison Joy top. It's $58. It has the V kind of halter style. I didn't change my bra for this try on. I'm so sorry about that. But I think it fits not too bad under the arms. It does kind of feel a little tent-like. See how it's, yeah, I kind of would probably want to tuck it to adjust for that. But I love the print. The colors are gorgeous. The back, just a simple halter. The jean skirt can't remember who's that by. It is by Ransom. All right. It has it's like button fly, like all these buttons, but then it flaps so you don't see the buttons. It does have working pockets in the front that are actually pretty deep, as well as in the back, like jeans. And the bottom of it is distressed. And it's not overly short. It's definitely not a mini, but it's not all the way to my knee. So I will have to watch the footage and kind of show this to my fiance and see what he thinks. I have owned a jean skirt and I never wore it and I gave it away. So I'm not positive it's my thing, but I enjoy trying it and I feel like it's pretty comfortable and maybe it might be worthy to own another jean skirt. Let me know what you think. Let's talk about the jacket first. This is cut from the cloth. It's $89, which is standard cut from the cloth pricing. Rolled down and buttoned. It's just a little bit long, but I actually kind of like this, you know, particularly if it is a little chilly and you can just it pulls up naturally, especially if you've got any actual layers on underneath, because right now I'm in a tank dress. And this side is kind of cuffed. It's that super stretchy, comfortable material. I really like the way it's kind of tailored in the back. But I have a jean jacket, so if this was like $40, I may be able to get enough wear out of this one and having two of them. But at $90 or $89, I'm going to pass on the jacket, although I love it. And if you are looking for a jean jacket, this is a really good one. You can see even the little buttons, how they have extra stitching. That kind of helps with the quality, making it a little worth paying. Now this dress is very fascinating. It is polyester spandex, so it's super stretchy. When I first put it on, I thought, oh my gosh, it is miles too long. And then I read the note from my stylist Kimberly, and she said she's 5'2", and she just put the belt where it needed to be. So I adjusted and tucked it, and because it's spandex and really stretchy and has a stretchy belt waist, it allowed me to pull it in. So you can, I'm sure this is how she wears it, because now it is a perfect length. Let me see if I can angle it down just a bit. And I could pull this to make it a little longer or shorter, and it doesn't take much, and it stays. It's really springy, really comfortable, and it's on sale for $39. So with my $20, this would only be a $20 dress. And it is super comfortable, super flowy. I love this print in these colors. It does have adjustable straps here, so it's easy to make it shorter or bigger. If you were super tall, you could adjust these up or down, and then this is the waistband here. So you could have it just, you know, a little bit or a lot, or just adjust it for whatever height you need. So actually, I'm rather fond of this dress and thinking pretty strongly of keeping this one. So I appreciate spending some time with me. Give me your input or feedback of anything that you think I should definitely keep or send back or look out for. I think since my stylist switched out, my old stylist would have known more like what I already had, but I'm jazzing that this new one is definitely getting my style. Looked at my Pinterest board, and I look forward to trying some more Trendsend in the future. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a super blessed day.